Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin WEMIX, currently trading around $2.21. WEMIX continued to rally hard in this bear market rally. So what's next for WEMIX in the bear market? WEMIX is still down 57% on a yearly time frame, but on a monthly time frame, we've seen this altcoin go up by more than 349%. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the WEMIX US dollar price chart on a weekly time frame. We've seen this altcoin rally from as low as $0.14 in December of 2022. We've seen it gone to as high as $2.2, going up by more than 1,500%. How high can it continue going in this bear market rally? We'll also be looking at WEMIX performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum, and then we'll take a look at WEMIX market cap, which has currently hit $541 million. Can we get to the $1 billion region before the end of the relief rally? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. To all my returning subscribers, thank you for always watching my videos. I appreciate you guys. If you're new to this channel and you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
By deep in the crypto bear market, all coins were dumping to Goblin Town for majority of 2022, but we started 2023 on a very bright note. WEMIX is up on a daily time frame, on a weekly time frame, also on a monthly time frame. In the last 1 week, it has gone up 94.7%. In the last 1 month, it has gone up by more than 350%. But if we go on a yearly time frame, WEMIX is still down bad in Goblin Town. How high can we continue pumping in this bear market rally? WEMIX is going through its first full crypto bear market. And guys, in the bull market, we saw this altcoin pumping to higher prices. In the bull market, we saw WEMIX go from as low as $0.15, getting to as high as $24.29. That was a 15% increase for WEMIX in around 266 days, which meant just $1,000 invested in WEMIX on 12th of July 2021 would have returned $159,000 by the 22nd of November of 2021. But all coins are known to dump really well to Goblin Town in the bear market. All coins are known to lose tremendous value against the US dollar when we enter the crypto bear market. And we have seen WEMIX dump really hard in this bear market, going from as high as $24.29, dropping to as low as $0.13, losing around 99.43% of its value in around 378 days. WEMIX has been one of those strange altcoins that has been turning heads deep in the crypto bear market. We have seen the rally for WEMIX go from as low as that $0.14 level where we got to on the 5th of December 2022. We have seen this altcoin rally back up to as high as $2.18. That's more than a 1,400% pump to the upside. Right now, WEMIX is currently facing some resistance around that $2.2 region. Can we continue pumping to higher prices? There's always a possibility, but guys, we shouldn't get carried away. WEMIX has pumped really well in the last 90 days. We have started 2023 on a very bright note, and the first half of 2023, WEMIX is already up 511%. While that's good news to hear, let's remember we're not just going to continue pumping to the upside forever. At some point in time, the rally is going to come to an end. Even if WEMIX gets to that $3 region, from $3 to the previous all-time high, WEMIX will still need to pump an additional 691%. So there's still a long way to go before we get to new all-time highs. And we're deep in the crypto bear market. All these factors coming together is telling us that at some point in time, when the bear market rally comes to an end, we might just see WEMIX dumping further back to Goblin Town. Where are we going to find support if that happens? Guys, that's going to be very, very tricky, because if WEMIX gets to this $4.78 region and we get rejected again, just like we did in May of 2022, that might just mean the relief rally is over. First, WEMIX we have to drop to around the $1.3 level. Hopefully, we'll find support at that level. That has been a very, very critical level for WEMIX over the last few months. We saw the rally come to an end for WEMIX in April of 2021. As we're trying to pump to new all-time highs by October of 2021, we also had to take a chill pill around that level. We saw WEMIX catch a bounce off that level in May of 2022. And before we've had that final dump to Goblin Town in October of 2022, we also saw WEMIX have a little chill period around there. Right now in this bear market rally, we're pumping to higher prices. WEMIX also took a chill period around that $1.3 region. So that's a very, very important level for WEMIX. If we start dumping to Goblin Town, that will be our first point of action. If we hold the $1.3 region, there's a very strong chance the bottom is in. But if you see WEMIX dumping to Goblin Town, going below the $1.3 region, guys, let's get ready to see WEMIX at some point in time in this bear market head back down to $0.52. And from where we're currently trading right now, if WEMIX is going to go that low in this bear market, WEMIX will have to drop 75% from where we're currently trading. All coins can be very, very volatile in the bear market, but long-term investors are accumulating, getting ready for the next bull run. Long-term investors are slowly but surely filling in their moon bags. And guys, if you're a long-term investor accumulating some WEMIX right now deep in the crypto bear market, getting ready for the next bull run, you don't want to get carried away by the pumps we're having to the upside. There's always going to be another dump to Goblin Town. So you want to surely have some capital on the side so that in case we see that dump to Goblin Town, you'll be willing to accumulate more, getting ready for that pump that will come by the end of the next bull run. I believe we'll see WEMIX pumping to new all-time highs by the end of the next bull run. I believe we'll see it pumping above the $24 region. But the bear market can be very, very long. The bear market can be very, very brutal. The bear market is designed to deceive a lot of investors to continue investing, thinking we're pumping to higher prices, FOMOing when we are seeing green candles, and selling when they are seeing red candles. You want to do the opposite of what the normal retail investor is doing. You want to behave like a smart investor. You want to buy when we're down in Goblin Town, and when we start pumping to the upside, you want to be selling some, getting ready for the next time we're going to dump into Goblin Town. If you take a look at what WEMIX has been doing the last 1 year, I've seen this altcoin go from as high as $5.69 to as low as $0.12. With a market cap of $539 million, WEMIX has a fully diluted market cap of $2.1 billion. A total supply of 959 million coins. WEMIX has over 244 million coins in circulation and is ranked 212 on CoinMarketCap with over 48,000 people having WEMIX on their watch list. WEMIX Mainnet is an experience-based platform-driven and service-oriented decentralized blockchain protocol which powers a mega ecosystem of Web 3.0 platforms. The Mainnet is a high-performance Ethereum virtual machine compatible open-source protocol powered by the SPoA, that's stake-based proof-of-authority consensus mechanism. The Mainnet claims to offer the highest security possible based on centralized on-chain governance by 40 Node Council partnership, also known as 40 Wonders. Where can you get some WEMIX coins if you want to get some right now deep in the crypto bear market as we're getting ready for the next bull run? You can do that on KuCoin, on Gate.io, on Bybit, on Wobi, on ProB Global, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins. Guys, right now, WEMIX is currently outperforming Bitcoin. But guys, remember, all coins are outperforming Bitcoin. Yes, we're happy they're pumping to the upside, but you want to be smart about that. You want to be taking some profits off the table because they can easily start dumping to Goblin Town. In the bull market, we saw WEMIX outperform Bitcoin by more than 11,000%. What has happened after that has been WEMIX dumping to Goblin Town, losing around 98% of its value against Bitcoin. Even though we have seen WEMIX rally up in this bear market rally by more than 1,100% against Bitcoin, from where we're currently trading, WEMIX will still need to rally up another 370% if it's to get to the previous all-time high against Bitcoin. So don't get carried away flipping all your Bitcoin back to some WEMIX, guys. The best time to do that was when we were down in Goblin Town. Right now, so we're pumping to higher prices. Should either be selling to some profit to get ready for that when that dump will come, or you should just stay on your hands. It's very, very underrated in the market, just staying on your hands. Right now, WEMIX is currently outperforming Ethereum also. All coins are known to be very, very volatile in the bear market. And when we start seeing the market dump, we might just see WEMIX continue losing value against Bitcoin and Ethereum, and probably even setting new lows in this bear market. A lot of people have seen their altcoins dumping to Goblin Town, WEMIX included, in the last 18 months. And any small shift in sentiment in the market will lead them dumping more of those altcoins in exchange for Bitcoin or Ethereum. Take a look at WEMIX market cap, which is currently around the $540 million region. There's a very, very strong resistance at that level. Hopefully, if we can blast above that level, we might see WEMIX market cap heading back above $1 billion for the first time since January of 2022. But right now, we're currently testing the $570 million level for the third time. The first time was in May of 2022. We got rejected at that region. We tried again in November of 2022, also got rejected at that region. And right now, we're also trying for the third time. Hopefully, we'll blast above that level. If we don't, we might just see WEMIX going back to Goblin Town. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Where do you see WEMIX heading to in the coming weeks and in the coming months? Do you think we're getting to the end of this relief rally, or are we going to continue pumping to higher prices? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Remember guys, invest for the long haul. Don't get too greedy. Don't get too scared. See you guys in my next video.